Sauces can make or break a dish. Some are culinary masterpieces, while others are, well, questionable. In this video, we reveal the top 5 best and top 5 worst sauces in the world. Get ready for a flavor-packed journey. Let's get started. To create this ranking, we evaluated sauces based on flavor and taste balance, ingredients and nutritional value, popularity and cultural impact, versatility, how well they pair with different dishes, and authenticity and culinary tradition. Whether you love spicy, sweet, or savory, this list has something for everyone. Worst sauces in the world. Number 5. Mayonnaise-based fruit salad sauce. An overly sweet and creamy mixture used in fruit salads, common in some regions but often criticized for its odd texture and overly sweet taste. Number 4. Fake cheese sauce. A thick processed sauce used in cheap nachos or pasta, loaded with artificial flavors, excessive salt, and low-quality cheese substitutes. Number 3. Oyster sauce, low-quality versions. While premium oyster sauce can be great, low-quality versions are overly salty, with a chemical taste that can ruin a dish. Number 2. Sweet ketchup variants. Some ketchup varieties are so sweet they taste more like candy than a condiment, overpowering the flavor of any dish they touch. Before we reveal the worst sauce in the world, don't forget to subscribe. We rank the best and worst of everything every week. Number 1. Clam juice sauce, especially the low-quality versions. It's sometimes used in seafood dishes, but when made poorly, it has this fishy metallic taste and honestly an unappealing smell. It can ruin any dish it's added to. Best sauces in the world. Number 5. Beurre Blanc from France, a classic French butter sauce with a creamy, velvety texture and a subtle, tangy flavor, perfect with fish, chicken, or vegetables. Number 4. Chimichurri from Argentina, a vibrant herb-based sauce made with parsley, garlic, vinegar, and olive oil. Perfect for grilled meats, especially steak. Number 3. Pesto from Italy, a fresh, aromatic blend of basil, garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. Perfect for pasta, sandwiches, and grilled vegetables. Number 2. Sriracha from Thailand, a spicy, tangy chili sauce that has become a global favorite. Perfect for noodles, tacos, pizza, and even eggs. Hit like and subscribe before we reveal the best sauce in the world. You don't want to miss it. Number 1. Soy sauce from Japan. A versatile, umami-packed sauce made from fermented soybeans, used in countless dishes around the world, from sushi to stir-fries. Its perfect balance of salty, savory, and slightly sweet makes it the best sauce in the world. Sauces can transform any dish. They can be the secret to an unforgettable meal or a complete disaster. Which sauce is your favorite? Do you agree with our ranking? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to the best and worst ranking for more helpful reviews every week.